Guys, welcome back to another fidget toy video. Reason why I haven't been posting is because my power went out, and I'm really sorry. In today's video, I'm just decided to do a satisfying video today. Today I'm just going to be playing with some of my fidget toys, and y'all can rate them in your head or in the comments, even though my comments are turned off, but you can rate which one is the best and which one you would want. So that's all I'm doing today because the power might go out again and I don't want to lose a lot of charge. So maybe later I'm going to do a fidget toy shading video. So I haven't been doing one of those in a while and I feel really bad because memories bring back memories. And I haven't been doing one of those videos in a while and y'all have told me that y'all wanted more fidget toy shading videos because even on my TikTok, y'all been saying you want more fidget toy shading videos, so I was like, okay, why not? But I might do that later, but today I'm just going to be doing a satisfying video today. So let's get on to the video. Woohoo! First one is the Panda Smushy. Makes no noise, but is very satisfying to smush. Next one up is a stress ball. Stress balls, actually. Plenty more from there. Plenty more from where that came from. Now let's try some of these and tell me which one is your favorite. Broken. Poppet's turn. Loud side. Versus the quiet side, which is the one that I don't really like, but it's kind of perfect to take to school, but only using the quiet side, which is sad. Blue Poppet up next. Favorite. Loud side. Versus the quiet side. Which is the side that I also hate. No offense if you like the quiet side, it's not my favorite because there's not a lot of action. Next up is Wacky Shrek and Puzzle Balls. Wacky Shrek and not DNA balls. Wacky Shrek and Puzzle Balls. Puzzle Balls. Other puzzle ball. Spike balls. Oh, there are some missing. Going hunting for the other ones. Sorry for my voice. I've been kind of sick actually. Not really though. So I'm just gonna dump them all out. Oh, don't mind that. You didn't see that. BTW, which one is your favorite color out of all? the purple ones. Put them off to the side. The blue ones. Where's my other blue one? It's probably lost somewhere in here. Yeah, it's probably lost somewhere in there. Green. Yeah, come on. Orange. Blue. Oh, actually pink. And blue. First one, I'm going to be doing the blue one. Perfect. Next up are the pink ones. The other one's lost. Next up is orange. Green. Oh, looks so nice. Purple. And those are all the colors of my spike balls. There was also spike balls that were Valentine's edition, but I didn't get to go for that, which is very sad because I didn't have it at my local store. Okay, next up is, how about putties and doughs and all those slimes and all of it? That did not just happen. Sorry. Putties, doughs, slimes, and all of that. I broke the shell for this putty, which is very sad. But when you throw it in the bag, it feels really good, and the bag just makes a perfect, nice, crunchy texture to it. So I recommend, if you have eggshell, you should probably put it in a Ziploc. So let me tie it up. Okay, I just tied it up. So if you have an eggshell, just like this one, even though the other one broke, I recommend to put it in a Ziploc and wrap it up, even though it makes a lot of crunchy noises, and you can just play with it in here, and it feels so good to actually touching it. And you can also take it out too, but it just feels so nice in the bag to just scrunch and take it out. So I'm kind of glad that eggshell broke, but also kind of sad too. But if it didn't broke, then yeah, it probably wouldn't be like that. Anyways, also one thing that I'm sad about is it busted all over in my box. And you see there's a little bit of purple. I don't know if the camera can see it, but I'm also very happy too because it's just nice, like a little purple texture. But I let it sit in my box of fidget toys, and look, it looks a little better. You can barely see the purple in it. So yeah, now let's get the rest. Yellow dough, the pink slime, which is kind of my main fidget toy that I have. In most of my videos, even though I keep them in my drafts. Oh, last one, I'm putting for you. So let's test them all out. First up is yellow. This is perfect for your yellow lovers if you like yellow dough. Next up is the pink heart dough. It feels really nice, like LOL dough, because I had LOLs in the past, but I moved on for those, from those. I don't have a lot anymore, just probably like 2 or 1. Anyways, that feels super nice. So wait, no, I didn't test that one out, so we can plop it back in there. There, close it properly. Did I show the heart one? Oops, I took the blue one on accident. Nope. Okay, next up is the blue one. It doesn't just come out easily, does it? There it is. It feels super nice. It feels so good. Also very messy too. So I don't know why I'm playing with this on my bed right now. But yeah, it's super nice. Please close properly. Let's get all that dust. Pink slime. Just doesn't want to pop off like I want it to. So look at it. Oh crap. Oh, it's really messy. Hey, that's it. Because I don't want it to fall on my bed and I don't want to get in trouble. It's also a very liquidy and slimy, gluey, neon pink texture slime. They also have TikTok. Also go follow them on TikTok. Shout out to you guys. Your slime is amazing. Hey, I'm kind of scared to open up this egg one, but I'm doing it for y'all. Super. Oh, I just popped a purple in there. So nice. Last not the least is this slime in the Ziploc. Amazing. What else? Oh, this big stress ball. And tell me how you guys like the texture. That's it for today's video. Bye guys.